I'm so confused.
I never died, mate. I never died. Why am I not released, cunt?
What's going on?
I fucking died.
Can I come in?
I'm reconnecting.
Yeah. How much for the...
I never died, mate.
No! Well, with the AK...
What is going on?
Sometimes I dream about cheese.
Bro, this guy's
We're just testing out a few different jobs. Like,
Whoa, deja vu. I dream.
Why is
about
everyone
cheese.
what softband? I'm so confused.
Just
What
reconnect.
that means.
You should be unfrozen if you reconnect.
Sometimes I dream about.
What do I put it through the orange thing or...
Deja vu.
Oh no, blacklist is their ban.
Sometimes
Like, dude, I'm legit, like, we're just testing out all the different jobs and you're ruining our roleplay experience. I think that that's a little bit bad for you to do.
I dream
Like,
about deja vu.
It's not up to us to
I
tell you
mean,
to read the rules. It's literally the first thing you see when you walk in. So if you're breaking rules, it's not our problem, it's yours.
what rules did we break?
I've never walked into
I haven't killed anybody or anything.
I've never walked into
What have I done wrong? I'm so confused about why I'm frozen. Help. I didn't do anything wrong. Why am I frozen?
Save me.
Like, what are you doing?
I didn't actually do anything though. You saw me before. You're the one that told me I couldn't be a security guard. Bro, no. Bro, no. I understand, bro. Understand. No.
Fucking trapped
I haven't
here.
done anything wrong. All I've been doing is rolling around with these guys.
What is going on?
Bro, please. I haven't done anything.
I do not know.
What did I do?
Please be talked
Like,
to
come
about
on.
the situation.
Could you tell me what I did? Because I haven't done anything. And I think that's really, like, kind of unfair.
I'm not involved with.
Pretty sure you got them all in your friends list, mate.
Help
I've
me.
got a couple of them on my friends list, but what's happened?
Hunter. Like, oh wait.
And then through.
No, wait, Marty, no, you didn't ban me before. You gave me a